What's up, YouTube? I am so glad you guys are back here at my channel, Becca Bogle. I'm so excited to show you guys what shoes I got for my birthday and do a little unboxing for you guys. So if you're liking the content that you are seeing, please give this video a thumbs up. Otherwise, hit the subscribe button as well if you're not currently subscribed to my channel. But so many fun things coming your way. I hope you guys have enjoyed the Nordstrom anniversary sale content that I have been posting along with some hauls. But really trying to start getting into this YouTube thing. I think it is so fun, and I love that I can make these videos in a little bit longer than TikTok and Instagram. So super fun, but thanks again for being here. So let's get started. So I wanted to show you guys what I got for my birthday this year. So excited to show you some of my favorite shoes. So I thought I would do a little haul for you, especially because I feel like if they're my favorites, they might also be your favorites. So first up is the Gucci box. So we will see what is inside. I love how it comes with a little card, all the tissue. So these guys are seriously the cutest sandal. I love these. So this is what they look like close up. So they're pink. I do my true size in these, so a 39. So that's like an 8.5. But in designer, it's a 39. I'm pretty sure these guys only come in whole sizes, so you can't do half sizes in these. They're super comfortable. I have these in a different kind of like colorway as well. So I had these on my birthday wish list. So super excited to get these, especially going into all the different like travel that I will be doing. But for summer, these are an awesome pool slide to have, like must-have item. Pool slide, and they're a great price point for a designer shoe. So must have, love these Gucci's. Next, put these guys away. These are like my dream shoes. Literally, I've been wanting something like this for so long, but I just like couldn't find one that fit my foot. So Balenciagas, and I actually already wore these, so if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already saw them, but I wanted to include them because they were a birthday gift, so I was like, you know what, we'll just do another unboxing of them. But they're already worn, so I'm not actually like taking these guys out of the box, so let me grab them real quick. So these are the Balenciagas. They are so awesome. They are a total dad sneaker. They say 39 in the front, so they always say like what size you get. It comes with extra shoelaces in the box, but what's really nice is on the outside, this is like separate, so it has almost like 4 laces that you can tie, so your foot is very secure. The back is super cute, how it has this. These are my favorite colors. They're not super heavy. Look, they're already dirty. It makes me so sad. I hate wearing my shoes in the city. They get so gross. So I have to clean them, but it's fine. But like the outside still look like really nice. So I do enjoy these, and you can always just like wipe them off. So if they do get dirty, if you're worried about a white sneaker, they will be just fine. But I love this color, and they're Balenciagas, true to size, not super heavy. Love this dad sneaker. I styled this with an oversized blazer and then shorts, but I would also wear this like more street style with like a trouser and like a fitted kind of crop top. So I think there's so many different ways to incorporate those into your closet. Yay! Next, the baby. I'm so excited to show you guys these sandals for summer. You could totally wear these like into fall and on vacation. Love the tissue. I love unwrapping tissue. These are gorgeous, and they'll match my handbag. How amazing are these? Like, I am literally obsessed with these. They're super lightweight. I'm a bit concerned about them getting dirty because the leather is very soft. However, I love how lightweight they are. They look super comfortable. These straps are adjustable, and they're like an off-white ivory with like the gold hardware. I do appreciate how it says Dior right here, and then it just has this nice subtle gold hardware on it, so it's not very loud. The back is not adjustable, so that's one thing I'm like a bit concerned about, but if you can tighten these here, I think it'll be okay. So I'm super excited about these Dior sandals, and they're more like a chunky like dad sandals. So, I mean, don't get me wrong here. There's nothing wrong with Birkenstocks, but these are like a cool Birkenstock. I can't even believe I used that in the same sentence as Dior, but it is what it is. I'm just being realistic with you guys. So there's a lot of good dupes for these as well, but I do know that Dior and Chanel has an awesome sandal that would be a great staple for your wardrobe, because I think this trend is here to stay for a while. So I hope you guys loved seeing a little unboxing of some of the new shoes that I just got for my 26th birthday. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so old, literally so close to 30 now, I can't. But super excited to show you guys the shoes I got. I think they're such a great staple to have in your closet, especially if you are looking to make a big designer purchase. But if not, they're just something fun to look at. So hope you guys enjoyed my video. Maybe I will do a try on next if you guys are interested. Maybe leave something in the comments if you guys are interested in seeing that. Otherwise, I probably won't do one. You'll just see it on my Instagram. So give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy what you saw, and then hit the subscribe button if you have not already. But thank you again for watching.